Hi everybody, welcome to our digital kennel. I'm Charles Miller, GermanShepherdMan.com, and they have, they're hearing Daddy's voice. Oh, they said we are hungry. We haven't changed the mat out yet. Oh, we are hungry babies. Got some food. They love Daddy. Hold on, let me do this. This is gonna be. Oh, there we go. Oh, look out, look out, look out, look out. I know, Lovey. I know you love Daddy. See, a lot of the yelping and barking was for their daddy, which that will turn into, I know, baby, I know. Everybody wants to come get love, give love. It's a love fest. And they got this food over here. Come here, come here, come here. You're so excited about me. Eat some food. Here you go. You too. This is hard to do. Okay. Okay. We haven't cleaned the mat out yet today. They've already had one meal. Maddie's not here. She had a car wreck yesterday. Somebody ran into her, so she's not here right now. So it's just Johnny C and me. And we have 16, these babies and 10 more. So wow, we have a lot going on. Wow. Anyway, this is your today video as the puppy walks right through the middle of the food. Oh, wow. Today is Tuesday. They were 4 weeks old yesterday, so they're 29 days old today. Hey, beautiful. Is that some good num-num? Oh, that was a yes, by the way. That was Puppy for, yeah, it is good, Daddy. It's really good. Love all of you. Thank all of you from all of us, GermanShepherdMan.com.